In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a Canva presentation to PDF step by step. This is perfect if you've created slides in Canva and now you need to submit them, share them professionally, or print them without losing formatting. Canva makes this really easy once you know where to click, and I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into the Canva account where your presentation is saved. Once you're on the Canva home screen, you'll see all of your recent designs, folders, and templates. This is where all your work lives, so from here you can access any presentation you've already created. Next, locate the presentation you want to save as a PDF. You can either scroll through your recent designs or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Once you find the presentation, click on it to open it in the Canva editor. Your slides will load, and you should now see the full presentation with all your pages listed on the left side. Now that your presentation is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This opens up Canva's sharing and export options. From here, you can invite collaborators, copy a link, or download your design in different formats. In the Share menu, click on Download. This is the option that allows you to save your presentation directly to your device. Once you click Download, a new panel will appear with several settings you can customize before exporting your file. At the top of the download settings, you'll see the File Type option. By default, Canva usually sets this to PDF Standard for presentations, which is perfect for most use cases like emailing, uploading, or submitting assignments. If it's not already selected, click on the File Type dropdown and choose PDF Standard. If you need a higher quality file for printing, you could choose PDF Print, but for most users, PDF Standard is exactly what you need. It keeps the file size smaller while maintaining good quality. Next, you'll see an option called Select Pages. Click on this if you want to control which slides are included in the PDF. In most cases, you'll want all of them, so click Select Pages and then choose Select All. This ensures every slide in your presentation is included in the final PDF. After selecting all pages, click Done to confirm your selection. This takes you back to the main download settings screen where everything should now be ready. Finally, click the Download button. Canva will process your presentation and automatically download it as a PDF file to your computer. Depending on your browser, it will either appear in your Downloads folder or show up at the bottom of your screen. And that's it. Your Canva presentation is now successfully saved as a PDF and ready to share, upload, or print. This method works the same whether you're using Canva for school, work, or personal projects. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.